You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty.
Hello,
Hey
guys.
guys,
Welcome to our vlogs, and today is the most awaited video, a very special video that is how we met, how our relationship started, and how we are together now. So on that basis, because many of you DM me on Instagram that you all want to see like our story. So it is very special for us as
very
well as,
interesting.
yes, it is very interesting as well because because it was not something that was planned or something like love this that nothing. So it was something unique. The story was too unique. So let's get started. Are you all interested? Yes. So let's start.
So I will start about my life, like about my how I met Renisa first time. So when I came back from the ship, so after like 2 weeks, my mother told me like now you have to be in a relationship. So she forced me like because I was not in love with any other girls. So she told me that you have to go for the
Yeah, really, guys. He was only and only into football. That's it. The life was totally football, work, home, friends. That's it.
and sleep.
Yes, and sleep. Yes, the most important factor is sleep. So this were the important factors. So I don't think so. He spoke to any girls. Maybe like a little bit of hi bye or something like that. I don't know, but he didn't have any relation. So basically, the as per the Vasai rule, you all know that at certain age, parents start forcing you all. The same way happened with him. So let's start with your story again. Back to
So
your story.
yes, so after like 2 weeks, my mother told me like in the evening that you have to go in the relation because now it's like too late for you. So I told okay mom, as per you, we will do that. So yeah, so mama like showed me like 2 or 3 pics of the girls from Vasai. So from that there was one pic of Renisa. That was the second pic. First pic was one girl from Merces. Second was from Papadi. So before going on the third girl, I just told my mama that she is a perfect girl for me and like I think so I'm a perfect future husband for Renisa. So yeah, so I selected the second page of like Renisa's photo. So we contact Renisa's mother. And after that, we met each other. So after that we discussed like about my good things, bad things, about her good things, bad things. So slowly we started chatting, and so after that, from there only we fall in love.
Okay, so this was his story. Now my story was I didn't wanted to go for love marriage, not at all, because like because of the people, because of the things which I have seen in my life, or because of the like friends or anyone who stepped back when you like always needed. Usually, genuinely, things are. I was too humble before. I was too damn humble and helpful as to always listen of people. It's true. It's true. It's true. But till my first year of this work, too humble, too helpful. Each and everything was like sorted, and small words used to like hurt me badly. And because of that, I told my mother, bus enough now, no more like I don't want to go in like love marriage. You select for me. I know you will be the best person to select for me because you know what, yeah, what type of personality I like have. And because of that, she like her friend spoke to her. That time she was like, my daughter is a teacher, so she was like, at least do engagement and keep, because I have very good like boys in my list. So and therefore when like that auntie called me up, so I was like, I was totally against of ship life, because my dream was that the person should be working in Mumbai and coming back home and having dinner together. That was like a specific term of
That
mine.
was impossible.
Yeah, and I genuinely like means I trust the words that God has selected for y'all, and whatever happens, जिधर भी रिश्ता होना चाहिए वहाँ ही हो जाएगा. like how many terms, conditions, whatever y'all keep, nothing is going to work. So it is all creation of God. Therefore, when she called, that time I said no because he was working on ship and he is working on ship. And later on, I told her, Auntie, you speak to like my mother. That call went to my mother and she fixed the meeting. And that day I was like too unhappy because I didn't wanted to meet any ship guy. Yeah, I really didn't wanted to meet any ship guy. But at last moment, like mom forced me, I went there, and when I looked at him, I was like, yeah, will do. I was specifically I was specifically impressed by his height. I loved his height so much, and his mother and his brother, the way they were talking. He was too shy. He was so damn shy that he didn't speak to me a single word. His brother took my number. Each and everything his brother has done, and his mother. So they both were speaking so freely that I was like, wow, this type of family I want. Like so free and so like lovely, jolly, and like that type of person. And therefore, when he took my number, like he messaged me and he started calling late night calls.
I messaged first.
Yeah, he messaged first. Obviously, why will I message first?
I was expecting that Renisa will message me first.
Why will I? I was not having his number as well. So after calling that night, later on I got an invitation. Before saying yes, I got an invitation for dinner because his bro was still living, and he sent a cute bouquet and my favorite flowers because I don't like flowers at all. So my favorite, orchids he had sent, and one tagline as invited for a special dinner and all, and it was like too special for me because no one has done so special things for me. And so I fought with my mother and I went. And then I started liking him, and yes, from there we started like dating and all that. And after that, like we spoke to each other about past things, each and everything cleared up because I know how people are. They are going to put mirchi masala, they are going to like say something bad about him to me, about me to like Wensley and all. I know each and everything. So it was first only decided by us both that each and everything will be sorted out and each and everything will be cleared with minute things. Yes, and later on like we agreed to each other, and I know I really trouble him a lot means a lot, like
Till now.
till now means each moment I trouble him, each moment. Like a person will like totally get irritated, need his pampering. I'll get angry and then he will come and pamper me. So because of that, I usually keep on fighting with him. So our relation is like this only. We like laugh together, we cry together, like even we fight together. But bichara, he actually really understands me and like I don't know how. So that is it for about our relationship. It is a clearly arranged marriage, but people, they are like, no, it is love marriage only because the way we share our bond together. So each and everyone, they specify that this is love marriage, but it is not love, it is arranged. But as we say that God has created this, and because of that I have got a perfect match who understands me, who always be with me, who stands for me, and who is like, it is just like Rensa, you do, I'm there with you. So these are the words by him. And even I have got such a lovely family that they are so free that even when I'm there, I feel like I'm at home. I can like gossip around. I can like talk to my like mother-in-law freely, total freely. Each and everything is total freely. And the same way he is with my parents. It is like he won't talk to me much, but he will talk to my parents more. It is like that. So that bond we share with each other, and that is it. So I hope like y'all like our story, like arranged come love story. And that's it for today's video. This is our story, and I hope y'all like it. And please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe ke liye not even a single rupee is going to go, and because of that, just one click, guys, please, just one click, and please subscribe. And we need a support and a platform on YouTube channel, so please do support us. Thank you.
Bye.
myself to